Hey everyone, Nick Griot, Griot's Garage, and today we're going to talk about one of our biggest innovations of the Boss foaming system, our metering tips. These 3 tips provide the proper ratio of water to concentrate when using one of the 3 liquids found in the Boss foaming system, paired with the Boss foam cannon. Each tip is color-coded to match the output of your pressure washer, and each features a uniquely sized orifice that, when paired with the viscosity of our Boss foaming liquids, creates the maximum amount of foam while using the least amount of product. Choosing the right tip is extremely simple. If you have a gas pressure washer that creates in excess of 2200 psi, use the pink tip. If you have an electric pressure washer that makes anywhere between 1100 psi and 2200 psi, use the purple tip. If you don't care how much product you use and you just want to create the maximum amount of foam, use the aqua tip. Installing the tips in the foam cannon is pretty straightforward as well. Simply remove the cap and manifold assembly from the reservoir and find the pickup ball. Choose the correct tip for whichever pressure washer you may be using. I'm using an electric pressure washer, so I'm going to use the purple tip. Then all you have to do is press the tip into the pickup ball and you are good to go. Our exclusive AutoMix feature takes the guesswork out of foam production. There's no mixing, no mess, and no math required. Simply affix a bottle of concentrate to our foam cannon with the proper tip installed and brace yourself for some foam and some fun. The pink metering tip can also be used with Griot's Garage foaming sprayer. Installation is likewise very simple. Simply remove the cap from the reservoir and pull off the pickup tube. Insert the pink metering tip into the barb at the top of the cap and reattach the pickup tube. Then, using the Griot's Garage foaming liquid of your choice, add some concentrate to the reservoir and you are ready to wash your car. These metering tips not only help to create as much foam as possible, they allow you to choose the tool with which you apply that foam and help to conserve your product while creating a deeper and safer car washing process. Thank you for watching. For more information on the metering tips, be sure to visit griotsgarage.com. And as always, have fun in your garage.